I'm trying to put a box together, yeah, and this happens. Nothing wants to stay. What's the solution? A Milescraft Clamp Square. Pops in there, clamp those up onto there like that, and it holds it for you. So this Milescraft Clamp Square is very, very simple to use. You just get your 2 bits of wood that you need to make sure that they're square. And all you do is clamp them on. Now when you're making up your drawers, you use the smaller ones. They fit perfectly for that. But if you're making up frames or anything like that for walls or what have you, and you want to keep them square, you get bigger ones. And they work exactly the same way. Now, you just saw me using normal clamps with these clamp squares, and that's perfectly fine if that's all you've got. But the better option would be to use these Milescraft sub-fence clamps. They're designed to fit into the holes on the clamps themselves. So if you're going to get these clamp squares from Milescraft, I strongly suggest that you get the sub-fence clamps to go with them, because it makes the job so much easier to use. And if you're at the Timbercon store, check out the Sherwood ones as well. They fit in these just as well as these do. So if you want any more information on these, check the links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Timbercon. They love it when you do that, and don't forget me, because I love it when you do that as well. Bye for now.